Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking the exercise 7.3 and 7.4. That question number 1. Write 4 equivalent fractions of each of the following fraction. One has been done for here. So first part already has done. So we will see the second part. Second part is 1 upon 3. So that we will write like this. That will be 1 multiply 2 upon 3 multiply 2, and then 1 multiply 3 upon 3 multiply 3, and then 1 multiply 4 upon 3 multiply 4, and then 1 multiply 5 upon 3 multiply 5. See that here is a 1, so we will written here same thing. This one also same, this one also same, this one also same. Now 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. So ever we will do 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 1 3 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 4 1 ja 4, 3 4 ja 12, 5 1 ja 5, 3 5 ja 15. And then second part, third part, that is 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5. So that similarly we will do 1 multiply 2 upon 5 multiply 2, and then 1 multiply 3 upon 5 multiply 3, then 1 multiply 4 upon 5 multiply 4, then 1 multiply 5 upon 5 multiply 5. So that will be similarly 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 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 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. So 2 1 ja 2 upon 5 2 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3 upon 5 3 ja 15, 4 1 ja 4 upon 4 5 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5 upon 5 5 ja 25. Then question part number 4, 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5. So that same thing, 4 upon 5, 4 into 2 upon 5 into 2, and then 4 into 3 upon 5 into 3, then 4 into 4 upon 5 into 4, then 4 into 5 upon 5 into 5. So that will become 4 2 ja 8 upon 5 2 ja 10 is equal to 4 3 ja 12 upon 5 3 ja 15, and then 4 4 ja 16, 5 4 ja 20, then 4 5 ja 20 upon 5 5 ja 25, and then one part, fifth part is left. So that part done by yourself. Similarly you will be do. And then second question is also easy, that which pair of fractional numbers are equivalent. So that first part is 6 upon 8, 16 upon 12, 6 upon 8, 16 upon 12. So that we are looking here that if we will be cancel or reduce that thing, that fraction, our answer will come same. So that 6, we are reading the table of 6, 16 are not coming, and we are reading the table of 8, 12 is also not coming. So that is not equivalent. So we will write here not equivalent. not equivalent. Right? And then second part, that 1 upon 3, 9 upon 27. That means 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 is 27. It means the table of that one is coming 27. So that is a like, sorry, equivalent. So that will be right, equivalent. Equivalent. Then third part, or we can see that other method also. Here you will be see in the third part 4 upon 14 and 1 upon 7. So that first of all we will multiply these things. 4 7 ja 28, and then we can write here. So we can save the page. 4 7 ja 28, and then 14 1 ja 14. That means we will multiply these two. 4 7 ja 28, 14 1 ja 14. Both are not same, so not equivalent. Not equivalent. If both will be same, then that will be equivalent. Then fourth part, 6 upon 18 and then 2 upon 9. Here we will do 6 9 ja 54, and then 18 2 ja 36. Both are not same, so not equivalent. Not equivalent. Right? And then fourth part done. Fifth part, 4 upon 16, 8 upon 32. 8 upon 32. So here 4 32 ja or 32 4 ja, that will be 4 2 ja 8 or 4 3 ja 12. 128, and then 16 8 ja 8 6 ja 48, and 8 1 ja 8 4 12. Both are the same, so that is a equivalent. Equivalent. Right? Sixth part, that is 7 upon 11 and then 14 upon 22. So here same thing, 7 into, just wait, 22 is that. 7 into 22 is equal to 7 to your 14, 7 to your 14 1 15, and then 11 14 ja, that 11 4 ja 44, carry 4, 11 1 ja 11 5. So both are the same, so equivalent. Equivalent. And then seventh part, that is 1 upon 3, 7 upon 22. So 1 into 22 is equal to 22, and then 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Both are not same, so not equivalent. Not equivalent. And then eighth part is 4 upon 10 and then 10 upon 25. So that 4 into 25 is equal to 100. 25 4 ja 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So that is equivalent because both are the same. And then last part is ninth part, that 5 upon 16, 8 upon 20, 8 upon 20, that will be 5 into 20 is equal to 100, and then 16 into 8 is equal to 8 6 are 48, carry 4, 8 1 8 4 12, 128. Both are not same, so not equivalent, right? And then we will see now 7.4. is first part. First question, put greater, smaller or equal to make the statement correct. So this question you will be do in your book because space is given there. So 7 upon 11 is smaller than 9 upon 11. So that 9 upon 11 you will be put the sign. This is the so first of all see the question number 2. Encircle the greater fraction. Encircle the greater fraction. So that first part is 7 upon 24 and then 5 upon 24. Both denominator are same, but this is a greater than this, so that will be circle, encircle the greater number. So we will be circle that 7 upon 4. And then second part, that 3 upon 11, 3 upon 11 and then 7 upon 11. So that you are looking 7 is greater, so we will circle that. Third part, 5 upon 14 and then 7 upon 14. 7 is greater than 5, so you will be circle that. Fourth part, 23 upon 27 and then 23 upon 41. Now numerator is same. So which denominator is smaller? This is smaller, so this will be greater number. And then 11 upon fifth part, 11 upon 19 and then 17 upon 19. So 17 is greater than 11. Then third question, arrange in the descending order. So that arrange in the descending order, first of all you will be write the question, then 15 upon 41, 19 upon 41, 7 upon 41 and then 11 upon 41 and then 21 upon 41. So descending order means in descending order. In descending order. How you will be write in descending order? That first of all you will be see the greater. 19 is greater number, so 19 upon 41 and then 21 upon 41 because 21 is greater than 19 upon 41 and then 15 upon 41 and then 15 after that 15 that will be 11 upon 41 and then last is 7 upon 41. And then second part 17 upon 31, that 24 upon 31 and then 15 upon 31, 18 upon 31, and then 30 upon 31. So in descending order. Descending order, that will be, first of all we will see the greater 30 upon 31, and then after 24 upon 31, then 18 upon 31, after that 18, 17 is that, 17 upon 31, and then 15 is left, so 15 upon 31. Okay.